Okay, in this video we take the DJI Spark, switch it on, let it initialize, GPS locks, get it into hand gesture mode by 2 presses at the back button after it got a lock and initialized. Then let it do a self takeoff with hand gesture mode, send it away, take a selfie, come back and land. Let's see. Okay, there's a launch. Okay, so we make sure it's ready, get it to the hand, we send it away, there it goes away, takes a picture, the red flash, after it flashes, green, done. Now we call it back, we called it back with the hand gesture mode, it's going back, and we land, and it switches off, and that's a selfie. Quick and fast with the DJI Spark.